Hey everyone, my name is Janelle. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you all how I styled this wig by using my crimper. Stay tuned. This wig is long, 28 inches to be exact. So what I'm going to start off by doing is showing you all what crimpers I use. So I use the Ion crimpers. I purchased these from Sally's. And I also use Sebastian shaper. You all may be familiar with this spray because I used it in my last video. So all I'm doing right now, I'm just combing the hair out, getting it nice and smooth so it can just be nice and flat, all the strands even together. Now what I am doing, I am taking the hair and pinning all the excess hair that I won't be crimping because I will be doing row by row. So all I'm doing is just taking section by section, pinning it, getting it out of my way so that way I can focus on one section at a time. And if you watch my last video, you all will recognize that I like to do things row by row, section by section, small pieces at a time. And once again, I am using my favorite spray. I just spray it on the hair before I crimp the hair. And also what I do is I comb the hair after I have sprayed the spray, just so I can just get it all throughout the hair. Now, as you can see, I'm using my crimper. One thing I want to mention to you all, as you are watching this video, when I crimp the hair, I am pushing the hair up. I'm not just letting the hair just hang, if that makes sense. I'm pushing, kind of like pushing the crimper up, if that makes sense. And I'm also going in the indent as I move down. So it's not really a special technique to crimping, but this is what I do. So it's all up to you and your preference. Just take your time and really just get in the indent, push the hair up like I'm demonstrating, and look at how it turns out. It's so beautiful. It's like a nice deep wave. I will now move on to the next section. So what I'm gonna do, of course, comb it all together. I've already sprayed the holding spray on the hair. So all I'm gonna do is just like I did before, move down slowly, push the hair up as I'm going along, and making sure I get in the indent as I move down. And this is basically repetitive. It's just taking your time. Doesn't really matter what crimpers you use. You just want to make sure you do. As you can see that I'm taking a moment for each crimp just to get it, make sure it's, crimped really good. So just take your time and it'll turn out great. And here I'm just going to give you all a quick little spin. The crimps look amazing. And like I said, the steps are repetitive. I am now moving on to the next section, and I will be doing the same steps, going row by row, using my holding spray. I'll spray it on each section at a time. Then I will comb the hair through, and I will begin crimping. Like I said, it's repetitive, very easy. Just take your time and continue to watch the video. I'll be in and out, and I will speed the video up at one point just so I can show you all how I do the top. But stay tuned. Those crimps are turning out great. I absolutely love crimps, and that spray that I use is like the best. Even though it seems like there's like a lot of steam coming from the hair, that spray doesn't make the hair hard, but it also helps the crimp stay in place. And I just had to slow it down right here. Look at the crimps, you guys. They are gorgeous. So now I am at the top, and I will be doing the same thing, the same steps. I just wanted to show you all how I do the top. Like I said, it's same steps, very repetitive. You just take your time. You still do it in small pieces, small sections at a time. Continue to watch, and we'll be done shortly. One thing I forgot to mention is that I had already customized the parting for this unit before the video, and I had also slightly plucked the hairline before the video just so I could jump straight into things. If you guys would like to see a video on plucking and setting apart, leave me some comments, let me know. I'll be happy to do one. But like I said, I did it beforehand. We are now at the end. This is the end result. So all I'm doing is just combing the front, touching up the hairline, but these crimps came out great. I'm just so in love. I absolutely love doing crimps. And this was 28 inches of hair, but look how gorgeous it is, you guys. Amazing. And when you comb these out, which I didn't do, it's an amazing deep curl. But that's the hairline, that's the part. And we are all done. Right here, I did take a little bit of foam just to put on the front hairline to smooth it out, and I used the edge brush just to get them nice and smooth. This was like my final step, but the wig turned out really, really great. And here is the final result. The wig is nice and crimped, styled, and ready to go. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.